If you are trying to manifest money, hindi yan dadating sa bahay mo na parang Shopee delivery. Ito na po yung delivery, ito na po yung 10 million nyo, ma'am. It doesn't work that way. If you don't have a career or vehicle, and you are trying to manifest money, money won't come to you right away. The manifestation will be in a form of opportunity. Maybe an opportunity to earn or grow as a person. An opportunity to learn a new skill. So pwedeng may business opportunity, career opportunity, or pwedeng video that you can learn. So there's a process to it. So believe in your vehicle. If you don't have a vehicle yet, just choose. Believe that you can. You have to believe in yourself. Regardless of how good your vehicle is, kahit gaano kaganda yung negosyo, gaano kalaki yung sweldo, gaano kaganda yung business opportunity, career opportunity, if you don't believe that you can, it will not happen to you.